All right, today we're going to assemble the Kettle Pizza. Nathan Cox here, thanks for joining us on Around the Home. Okay, so Christmas present here for 2018. I got the Kettle Pizza. It's an accessory for your standard kettle grill. I got the standard 22-inch Weber, so I'm hoping this just goes right into it and holds it together. It says no tools are needed for assembly, so we'll see if that's true. Okay, let me get the camera down here on the table and let's get this thing assembled. Okay, so you see we got two handles here. We have our thermometer, okay, and then we have a bag of some assorted nuts and washers and stuff. And I got every dog in the neighborhood barking at me today. Okay guys, and honestly the instructions are a little bit weak here, showing some pictures of just inserting the bolts through the back. So the grill, the grate has to fit inside of it. So right there when you line up, so you guys can see it, so we got like 4 holes here, 2 pairs, and when you set them up like that and we put the standard 22-inch grate over it, that's not going to work. So maybe this also works for a smaller like 18-inch grill or something like that. I'll be truthfully, I'm not 100% positive. Instructions are a little weak, so I'm going to try to insert the screws through. We're supposed to just do it like this. Okay, so I got the 2-inch bolts, the ones that hang out here. I got them finished off with a lock washer and a wing nut on the inside. And then the grate will now actually fit through it, okay? So this can sit on top of the grate and slip inside the grill. Okay, so that should be the right size like that. Now the handles, okay, we got the front, which you can see is obviously where they stamp their name and they got the big pizza hole. So the handles are just going to go through very similar to the way those bolts did from the outside. Okay, now we're practically done with the assembly. So the one thing they are right about, no tools are necessary, using all the wing nuts there. Now we have our thermometer to put right in front with the hole that's left right there. Okay, now let's go actually put it on the grill and see how that looks. Okay, standard Weber grill here. We're gonna go ahead and set the grate in. I think it just should drop right on top of this. And there we go. Doesn't seem just quite right. All right, what if we put the grate on top of those bottom? Now see, that feels right. Okay, see, this is why I do these live, because I'm gonna come across the same problems you guys are going to. So those wing nuts, okay, on each handle, and then on one of the bolts that are in the back, that's gonna hold the grate, so the grate is now even with the hole, so the pizza can slide in and out. Okay, just putting it on top like that before is not gonna work. So now you're actually lifting the grate up with the pizza top. And then the top should sit, there we go, right on top. And I've got thermometer here in front, and then we're gonna use our big pizza, spatula right there with our hole that's gonna stay open the whole time. So everyone, thanks again for hanging out with me with this video. And I know you can tell that these videos are not scripted, but I want to work through the real world problems of trying to assemble people's products so you guys can see and feel the same problems that you're probably having. This is not a hard installation, but obviously easier once you see what's going on and how things should be fitting. So don't forget, In the description down below will be Amazon links to all the stuff that you see that we use today. Obviously, the pizza kettle, which is the main thing. Of course, you can also, if you need the Weber grill, the other stuff to go with it, use those links not only to get the proper products that you saw in this video, but it helps us out too, okay? Please take a moment while you're doing that. Subscribe to the channel, check out my website, hundreds of more videos on so many different things, and some additional videos over here, and I'll probably even put like my first time cooking on it and stuff like that too. Guys, thanks again so much.